To carry out any kind of change to the OMNIAlog configuration, you must have logged in as an administrator. Furthermore, you must make sure that OMNIAlog is in config mode. Choose the function Advanced from the left-hand menu, followed by Energy Management, where it is possible to choose OMNIAlog's energy mode and the V-out screw clamp normally used to power remote communication devices such as routers or GSM GPRS modems. For the management of OMNIAlog's energy consumption, it is possible to choose from two functions, timed and always on. Always on is advised when there are no foreseen autonomy problems, inasmuch as the power for OMNIAlog is supplied by the mains electricity or large-sized solar panels. In this mode, OMNIAlog activates the high-frequency microcontroller and leaves the LAN adapter always enabled. On the other hand, timed is necessary when the power supply to OMNIAlog comes from the internal batteries and is recommended when the power is supplied by a solar panel. In fact, to reduce consumption, OMNIAlog lowers the frequency of the microcontroller. In the case of battery power, it also turns off the LAN adapter. OMNIAlog puts itself into sleep mode and only turns itself on at predetermined times to carry out measurements or data transmissions. To connect a PC to a battery-powered OMNIAlog, it is necessary to enable the OMNIAlog LAN adapter through the use of OMNIAlog's keyboard and display. If OMNIAlog is set in timed mode, it is not possible to power any external device via the V-out terminal, nor connect digitalized instruments or a multiplexer. V-out is a software-controlled output and has the same voltage as V-in. It is possible to select three functions for V-out: off, always on, and timed. By selecting off, V-out will always remain off. When always on is selected, V-out will always be on. At 0000 hours, the power source will be removed for a few seconds to allow the resetting of the connected device. Choosing timed means that V-out is managed according to the set configuration. Typically, V-out is always off and is only turned on for data transmission. In this case, OMNIAlog will not be reachable via remote, save during a 10-minute window, once a day at 1600 hours, when V-out is activated. Once connected, the length of the connection is at the user's discretion. In the Display Timeout (min) field, it is possible to stipulate after how many minutes of inactivity the OMNIAlog display should be turned off. In the Logout for always on and timed and LAN switch off only for timed min field, it is possible to decide after how many minutes of inactivity an automatic logout of the web pages is affected, and, if OMNIAlog is set in timed and powered by batteries, after how many minutes the LAN adapter shuts down. Press the Save button to confirm the changes. If the OMNIAlog switch on and/or communication device power supply V-out fields have been altered, OMNIAlog has to restart for the changes to come into effect. Press Reboot to restart OMNIAlog. OMNIAlog will restart with the new settings.